Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your health and life insurance consultant Kajal. In today's video, I will talk about best health insurance plans in India in year 2021. But before starting the video, I would like to request all my viewers that please subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest update regarding my videos. Let's start the video. Finding the best health insurance plan from so many different health insurance companies can get confusing for many people. While selecting the best health insurance policy, you must look into the various factors including health insurance riders, benefits, coverage, network hospitals, etc. Now let's talk about why should you buy a best health insurance policy. Needless to say, it is imperative to buy the best health insurance policy as it helps you to keep up with the ever-soaring healthcare cost and assures you and your family of a healthy future without having to worry about the medical bills and hospitalization expenses. And when it comes to buying health insurance plan, you might get confused about which plan to buy out of many. We can help you to select a top health insurance plan which meet your requirements. You can compare and select the best health plan for yourself and your family which will cover medical expenses including pre and post hospitalization expenses, daycare expenses, coronavirus treatment, critical illness hospitalization depending on your preferences. Now I will tell you how to select best health insurance policy. You cannot have one health insurance policy that meets all of your requirements. There are a number of health insurance policies that are available and each policy offers some unique coverage benefits. You need to ascertain the benefits and know what all is covered and what is excluded and then select the best health insurance policy. You can do some online research or you can speak to our customer team and opt for the one that suits your requirements the best. I will give a few tips that you can consider while selecting a best health insurance plan. Let's know which things should keep in mind while taking a health insurance plan. The first is choose adequate sum insured amount plan. Friends, always go for the plan that offers maximum health coverage and maximum coverage amount to help you meet any medical emergency. With medical inflation, healthcare expenses are going up drastically and therefore you will need a sufficient amount to deal with the inflation. Today, a basic heart surgery can cost around rupees 4 to 5 lakhs and for a middle class family, this amount is quite huge. Therefore, make sure that you choose an adequate coverage amount to ensure financial security to meet future financial emergency. Second is choose the right coverage type. Individual health plans are designed keeping the needs of an individual in mind. However, if you have more members in your family, we will advise you to buy a family floater plan which covers your entire family. If you take a policy this way, you are not required to buy a separate policy for each member of your family and you can keep their health secured. The premium is also lesser as compared to the individual plans and the sum insured is higher. Most importantly, anyone can utilize the amount during a medical treatment. Also, you can cover your senior citizen parents as well by paying a slightly higher premium. Then the third comes, check the flexibility to increase the total amount you are insured for. The cost of living fluctuates every year and so does the cost of medical treatment. Most of the insurance companies have the provision to increase the sum insured over the time. When you renew your policy timely and have no claim bonus benefit on your current plan, then your insurer might reward you by increasing the total amount of sum insured. Fourth comes, check the pre-existing disease waiting period. Every health insurance company has its own set of terms and conditions regarding pre-existing disease. It means if you have any disease prior to taking a plan, the claim made for taking treatment against that illness will be accepted after the insured person serves a defined waiting period. In the most cases, the waiting period ranges anywhere from 2 to 4 years. However, some best plans have a lesser waiting period like Mediclaim plans. While purchasing a health policy, you should opt for the one with a lesser waiting period. Fifth is check the maximum renewal age. Policy renewal is one of the most important aspects when selecting a health insurance policy for your family. Most of the health insurance companies allow policy renewal till the age of 65 years only, but there are certain policies which offer lifelong health insurance renewal facility. You should pick the most appropriate one for yourself based on your family health history and other health parameters. Sixth is insurer with high claim settlement ratio. Claim settlement ratio is the number of claims settled by the insurer over the total claims it receives. Always opt for a health plan from an insurer that has a high claim settlement ratio. This way you will ensure that your claim will not be rejected until the insurer has a valid excuse. However, you should be careful at the time of filing a claim. Make sure you have attached all the relevant documents and proofs supporting your claim. Seventh comes smooth claim settlement process. Mostly the claim settlement process is similar for all the insurance companies as instructed by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority IRDA. There might be minor changes due to some difference in the company's functionality. It is advisable that you understand both cashless and reimbursement claim settlement process of your health insurance provider before purchasing the policy. Cashless hospitalization facility should be there, friends. With health insurance, you are entitled to avail treatments from network hospitals, which are a group of hospitals associated with a particular insurer. Almost every health insurance company provides cashless hospitalization, saving you from the trouble of running from pillar to post for document collection and filing it. This facility is applicable in their network hospitals. Only cashless hospitalization simplifies the claim settlement process and makes it a hassle-free task for the policy holder. Then again, it is advisable to cross-check the list of the hospital that are included in the list before making the claim. Don't forget to compare the premium of the plans. Among different companies, it is essential to compare the plans as well as the premium. There are many online aggregators that help you compare the insurance policies in terms of benefits, features, premium, maximum returns, etc. Picking a plan without weighing all the options available in the market is like inviting regret. By comparing the plans, you can avail all the benefits at a comparatively cheaper premium rate. Now check the reviews. Friends, customer reviews of different health insurance companies are essential when it comes to purchasing medical insurance online. Reviews are always a mixture of negative and positive opinions which highlight the relevant pros and cons. This will help you take a firm and informed decision. You must read the exclusions. Most of the policyholders ignores the limitation of exclusion in a health insurance policy and end up experiencing something unexpected. If a plan covers something, it is equally entitled to not cover some illnesses, like some plans that exclude hernia, cataract, sinusitis, gastric, joint replacement, etc. in the initial period, while some others exclude expenses incurred on dental treatment, HIV/AIDS, eye-related health care, STDs, cosmetic surgeries, etc., you should choose a health plan with fewer exclusions. Now you should look for add-on riders like critical illness rider, accidental rider. With the critical illness rider, you ensure that your financial plannings would not get disturbed if any unplanned medical expenses arises. Critical illness cover is a rider benefit that you can avail by paying an extra premium. In return, you can avail health coverage against life-threatening diseases such as cancer, kidney failure, tumor, etc. Now comes benefits of best health insurance plans in India. If you think that health insurance covers medical expenses only in the case of hospitalization, then you are wrong. Apart from providing financial assistance during hospitalization, the best health insurance policy in India comes with other more benefits as well. Let's know about the other benefits. Now with a good health insurance plan, you can avail cashless treatment at a network hospital. It is a boon as you don't need to pay out of your pocket expenses. The insured just needs to complete the paperwork with the hospital authority and avail the facility, while the health insurance company will take care of the bills. Now look for the daily allowance benefit. Some health insurance companies offer a daily amount for each day of hospitalization. This doesn't affect the actual sum insured. This amount can be availed up to a certain daily limit and can be spent on medicines or other health related requirements. Now read the tax benefits. Section 80D of Income Tax Act says that the insured person can claim for tax deduction against the premium paid for health insurance. An individual can claim a deduction of up to Rs 25,000 on health insurance premium. If one is paying for the insurance premium for elderly parents, then a deduction up to Rs 30,000 is permissible. Covers life-threatening illnesses. Lifestyle diseases are deadly and expensive at the same time. A person with an average income may not be able to afford the treatment required for these diseases. If one owns a health insurance plan with critical illness cover, then a lump sum amount will be paid towards the medical expenses incurred in the treatment after the diagnosis. As this comes as a rider cover, one can cover critical illnesses under his or health plan on the payment of an extra premium. Avail allied benefits. Some health insurers in India have come up with preventive health checkups and enhanced diagnostics, which usually are not included in a basic health insurance plan. Obviously, this is a smart move and includes the following benefits: free medical checkups, free health consultations with doctors, consultations with nutritionists, tie-up with health service providers, lucrative offers on healthcare services. When it comes to the best health insurance, the decision to zero on one policy is not a child game. With so many insurance companies in the market, buying the best health insurance plan requires you to put in a great efforts. We strive to help you make a well-informed decision by picking the most suitable health insurance plan in India. We hope you will be able to take your best pick. So friends, this was a little information about the best health insurance plan in India in the year 2021. To know more about the details of this plan, you can contact us with the help of a number popping up on your screen. You can connect with me. Friends, that's all in today's video. Hope you found the information given in this video really beneficial. We will continue to bring important information related to life and health insurance for you. We want to thank all of you wholeheartedly because of the continuous contribution of you people. Today our channel has completed the family of 13,000 subscribers and 6 lakh viewers on our channel. All the people who are connected with us, Stay with us in this journey, and if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and be a part of our family. Thank you for watching our video.